Hello. I have decided to show you guys how to do a mustache. So you get, I don't know, like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then add one more, which will make it, oops, sorry, oops. One more will make it 11. Then second from the hook, you're gonna go single crochet all the way across. So what you do is you go in that chain, grab it, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through too. And then you can do that all the way down to the end. Chain one, and then the first chain, and do single crochet, chain one, skip one, and single crochet into the next one, chain one, skip one, chain one, skip one, chain one, skip one, up, oh, and then chain one, skip one, and you go into the last stitch, you see, and then you're gonna chain one, or yeah, chain one, single crochet into the first one, and chain one, and single crochet into your spaces, your chain one spaces. Then you just keep doing that, and you chain one, crochet into the first one, chain one, and you go into the same one space, and just do it that way. You just keep doing that. And that's it. That's how you do the mustache. Thank you. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.